Sairam brothers, Sairam sisters, Sairam children. So as Brother Manian said, today we have a very beautiful bhajan on Govinda. Again, this bhajan is more about what Swami always says on Namasmarana, calling the different names of God. So this bhajan reminds me about that, calling all the names of Lord Krishna as Govinda, Narayana, Badrivasa, again, Vishnu's abode. Uh, Such a beautiful bhajan. So very shortly we'll go over the lyrics of the bhajan. So before that we have a Balavika student, SSC student with us who has volunteered in learning this bhajan, Srimai with us. Sairam Srimai.
Sairam Aunty.
Sairam Kanna. So before we get started, let's quickly learn the initial details of this bhajan. The ragam of this bhajan is in Pantuvarali ragam. Pantuvarali is again, many Sai bhajans are in Pantuvarali ragam. Very beautiful ragam. We'll shortly go over on those similar bhajans as well. And the talam of this bhajan is regular 8-beat talam of like what normal bhajans that we sing. The beat goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in Carnatic we say Adi Talam, right? So regular 8-beat bhajan, or we can say 4-beat bhajan. And Ragam Talam. And the next one is the Shruti. So Shruti that we have taken today for learning session is B, which is 7 Panchamam. So girls or ladies, we can take either B, or if B is higher, we can take even A or A sharp, which is 6 or 6.5. Or if we can reach a little more higher, we can even take C. But B is, the medium Shruti, which will be really good in rendition. And gents can go with E, which is 3 Panchamam, or even F, which is 4 Panchamam, depending on their comfortable part. So this is on the Shruti. Now other usual bhajans in this ragam, let me turn the Shruti on. So the other similar bhajans in this ragam is Nandishwara He Nataraja Nandatmaja Hari Narayana. And another one, Bhajo Mana Bhajo Ram Ram Shri Ram Shri Ram Ram. And another one, Deva Deva Mahadeva Sai Shankara Sai Shankara Shiradishwara. Another one, Pranavaswarupa Hari Om Sai Narayana Hari Om. So these are all in Bantuvarali ragam, very similar ragam based bhajans. And the bhajan which we are going to learn today, as the lyrics projected, it is also in Bantuvarali ragam. And the lyrics goes, Govinda Govinda Narayana Shri Hari Narayana. So the bhajan is again you can say in Sanskrit, the Hindi bhajan. As we can see from the lyrics, we are calling the different names of God. Again, as Swami says, though the names are different, the God is one, right? So we can even call Narayana, or we can call Govinda or Badrivasa. So Govinda Govinda Narayana. So we are calling the different names of Govinda, Shri Hari Narayana. Badrivasa Naradisha Narayana. So Badrivasa, again, Lord who resides in Badrinath, right? As we know, the abode of Vishnu. So Badrivasa Naradisha. So Nara is basically, in Sanskrit, it is called as man. Adisha is God. So Lord of man. So basically Lord of all of us, right? So Naradisha. So that's why while singing, we'll sing Naradisha. Naradisha Narayana. Ghanashyama Narayana. So Ghanashyama, again we say refers to Lord Krishna, right? Like who's like in the as the clouds, like dark clouds, like even the form of Lord Krishna, we say Ghanashyama Krishna, right? And another name for Krishna, Ghanashyama Narayana. Govinda Govinda Narayana Shri Hari Narayana. Partivasa Jagadisha Janardana. So Partivasa, as we all know, Swami's abode Puttaparthi. So we say Partivasa, Jagadisha, Jagat ke Isha. So Swami, a Lord of the whole world. So that's why we say Swami, you are Jagadisha. Jagadisha, Janardana. So again, Krishna. Satya Sai, Parameshwara. Swami, you are our Parameshwara. You are our God, Satya Sai. So we see you in all the forms of, Krishna, Narayana, Govinda. So let's learn this beautiful bhajan, Govinda, Govinda, Narayana. Shrima, ready?
Yes, Auntie.
Okay, so we'll go really slow. We'll break the lines, first line into four halves so that it'll be easy in catching up. Okay. So I'll cover where we need to take a breath also because the first line is longer, right? So I'll tell you where we can take a breath as we go. Govinda,
Govinda,
Govinda, Govinda.
Govinda, Govinda.
Once again. Govinda, Govinda.
Govinda, Govinda.
Narayana.
Narayana.
Govinda, Govinda, Narayana.
Govinda, Govinda, Narayana.
Good. Shri
Shri
Govinda, Govinda, Narayana. Shri Hari.
Govinda, Govinda, Narayana, Shri Hari,
Narayana.
Narayana. Ah.
So basically, we'll not say separately. We'll call Narayana like that. How will you say Narayana? So that we are extending Narayana. We are calling the name of God. So while singing the full line, first line, Govinda, Govinda, Narayana, Shri Hari, Narayana. So I forgot to tell where we take a breath. We can take a breath. Govinda, Govinda, Narayana. Then take half breath. Like don't pause too much. But Narayana breath. Shri Hari breath. Narayana. So two places we are taking breath. Right?
Okay.
So Govinda, Govinda, Narayana, take a small breath. Shri Hari, take a small breath. Narayana. So can you sing the first line, Kanna?
Govinda, Govinda, Narayana, Shri Hari, Narayana.
Very good. Narayana. Sustain till the follow starts.
Okay.
So before Narayana, take enough breath so that you can sustain till the follow starts. Can you try again?
Okay. Govinda, Govinda, Narayana, Shri Hari, Narayana.
Good. And second time when you sing this, Govinda, Govinda.
Govinda, Govinda,
Narayana.
Narayana.
So first time you sang Govinda, 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 Narayana. That's what you sang first time. And when you sing second time, it is Govinda, Govinda, Narayana. Shri. Rest of it is same what you sang first one. So can you sing that once? I'll quickly show you the second how we sing. Govinda Govinda Narayana Shri Hari Narayana. Can you sing?
Govinda Govinda Narayana
Shri Hari.
Shri Hari Narayana.
Very good. So can you sing both the Govinda Govinda Narayana now? The first line? Sing.
Govinda Govinda Narayana Shri Hari Narayana. Govinda Govinda Narayana Shri Hari Narayana.
Very good. So after this, Badrivasa
Badrivasa
Naradisha.
Naradisha
Badrivasa Naradisha.
Badrivasa Naradisha
Janardana.
Janardana
Badrivasa Jagadisha Janardana.
Badrivasa Jagadisha
Sorry, Naradisha.
Janardana
Badrivasa Naradisha Narayana.
Badrivasa Naradisha Narayana.
And second time when you sing this, Badrivasa Naradisha Narayana. Narayana.
Badrivasa Naradisha Narayana.
Correct. So first time we are singing Badrivasa Naradisha Narayana. Second time Badrivasa Naradisha Narayana. Can you sing both the second line?
Badrivasa Naradisha Narayana. Badrivasa Naradisha Narayana.
Very good. Ghanashama, Ghanashama,
Ghanashama
Narayana.
Narayana.
So Narayana, a little bit Narayana. So initially while learning, if that is difficult, so we can move our face little bit up and down. I tell small kids, like if they find it difficult, you can do like that. But a little bit, shake Narayana. We're calling Swami like that, right? So Ghanashama Narayana.
Ghanashama Narayana.
Awesome. So that same line we'll sing 2 times. And after this, Govinda Govinda Narayana Shri Hari Narayana. That line once after this. So can you sing from first line till Govinda Govinda Narayana once? Yeah. Sing.
Govinda Govinda Narayana Shri Hari Narayana. Govinda Govinda Narayana Shri Hari Narayana. Can you sing the second line?
Badrivasa Naradisha.
Badrivasa Naradisha नारायणा बद्रिवासा नरदीश नारायणा
बद्रिवासा नराधीश Narayana. So remember to say, we should not say Naradisha, Naradisha. It should be A.
Naradisha.
So Badrivasa Naradisha Narayana.
बद्रिवासा नाराधीश नारायणा
Narayana.
नारायणा
Correct. Can you sing Badrivasa? Sing.
बद्रिवासा नाराधीश नारायणा बद्रिवासा नाराधीश नारायणा
Ghanashama.
घनश्यामा नारायणा घनश्यामा नारायणा
So second time when we call Swami like that, right? Narayana. We can say Ghanashama Narayana. Narayana. Nara. That's what we are doing. Nara. So slow if we sing. Nara. Narayana. Sing. Ghanashama.
घनश्यामा
Ghanashama Narayana. Ghanashama Narayana.
घनश्यामा नारायणा घनश्यामा नारायणा
Correct. After this, sing the first line of Govinda Govinda.
गोविन्द गोविन्द नारायणा श्रीहरि नारायणा
So after this, Parthivasa Jagadisha Janardana is very same like how you sang Badrivasa Naradisha Narayana. So how will you sing? Parthivasa Jagadisha
प्रतिवासा जगदीश
Janardana
जनार्दना
Parthivasa Jagadisha Janardana.
प्रतिवासा जगदीश जनार्दना
Again.
प्रतिवासा जगदीश जनार्दना
Very good. And second time when you sing this line, we can sing Parthivasa Jagadisha. If that is difficult, you can sing Parthivasa Jagadisha. But you can try Parthivasa Jagadisha. You're coming down and you're going up. Parthivasa Jagadisha Janardana. If that is difficult, sing the first Jagadisha. Are you finding it
Try
difficult?
it, Auntie.
Okay.
Can you
Sing.
sing it once? The
Yeah.
second one.
Parthivasa
प्रतिवासा
Jagadisha.
जगदीश
Sing that little more faster. Parthivasa Jagadisha Janardana. How you sang there? Badrivasa Naradisha Narayana. Like that. Janardana. Same tune.
Okay.
Sing. Parthivasa.
प्रतिवासा जगदीश जनार्दना
Good. Janardana.
जनार्दना
Correct. Next line. Satya Sai. Such a beautiful line. Satya Sai.
Satya Sai
Parameshwara.
Parameshwara
Satya Sai Parameshwara.
Satya Sai Parameshwara.
Awesome. So this is full bhajan, how the bhajan flows. So can you try singing the full bhajan? Any line you have doubt, Karna, where you want to get clarification?
I can try, Auntie.
Even last line, right? You can do similar one. Partivasa Satya Sai Parameshwara. Like how you did Badrivasa Narayana Nara. Similarly, Satya Sai Parameshwara Parameshwara. Sing that variation.
Parameshwara.
Yeah, so that you can sing second time. Satya Sai Parameshwara. Good.
Okay.
Can you sing the full first beat, Kannana?
Govinda Govinda Narayana Shri Hari Narayana Govinda Govinda Narayana Shri Hari Narayana Badrivasa Naradesha Narayana Badrivasa Naradesha Narayana
Badrivasana Radesha Narayana Narayana Narayana. No?
Narayana.
Yeah, that's what you're singing. Sing with Badrivasa.
Badrivasa Naradesha Narayana.
Correct. Ghanashama.
Ghanashama Narayana Ghanashama Narayana.
That one take little slow. Ghanashama Narayana Narayana.
Ghanashama Narayana.
Correct.
Govinda Govinda Narayana Shri Hari Narayana Partivasa Jagadisha Janardana. Can you sing the second variation?
Correct. Partivasa Jagadisha.
Partivasa Jagadisha
Janardana.
Janardana.
Jagadisha, if that variation is difficult, let's sing the plain Jagadisha.
Okay.
Yeah.
Partivasa Jagadisha Janardana
Satya Sai.
Satya Sai Parameshwara Satya Sai Parameshwara.
Correct. So after this, we'll sing the second speed. Govinda Govinda Narayana Shri Hari Narayana.
Govinda Govinda Narayana Shri Hari Narayana
Badrivasa Naradesha Narayana
Badrivasa Naradesha Narayana
Ghanashama Narayana
Shama Narayana.
Govinda Govinda Narayana Shri Hari Narayana.
Govinda Govinda Narayana Shri Hari Narayana.
Partivasa Jagadisha Janardana.
Partivasa Jagadisha Janardana.
Satya Sai Parameshwara.
Satya Sai Parameshwara.
Satya Sai Parameshwara.
Satya Sai Parameshwara.
So after this is whole second speed, okay? So after singing this, we'll go to the third speed of Govinda Narayana. We'll take it in different notes of Pantuvarali Ragam. So I'll quickly show you Govinda. I'll quickly show you how the notes goes, okay? Govinda Narayana, Govinda Narayana, Govinda Narayana, Govinda Narayana, Govinda Narayana. After that, fourth speed. Govinda Narayana, Govinda Narayana, Govinda Narayana, Govinda Narayana, Govinda Narayana, Sai Govinda Narayana. After that, Govinda, Govinda. That's how the bhajan will end. But it will go very fast, like, third. And so that's why this bhajan is usually sung either sixth bhajan or seventh bhajan or eighth bhajan, the regular bhajan slot, because it's a tempo bhajan. Slowly it will start, but towards the end it will be really vibrant, and it'll be so nice to call Swami's name Govinda Narayana repeatedly, right? So let's quickly learn the last portion, okay? It's easy. I'll give you little tips so that we'll remember those notes where it lands. So Govinda Narayana, we are singing Sani. So Govinda Narayana, sing.
Govinda Narayana,
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 Govinda Narayana.
Govinda Narayana.
So we are keeping in 5 different notes. We are just landing it. So can you sing those 5 Govinda Narayana first? Sing.
Govinda Narayana,
Govinda Narayana,
Govinda Narayana.
So now sing first Govinda Narayana, sing the second Govinda Narayana.
Govinda Narayana, Govinda Narayana,
Correct. Govinda Narayana,
Govinda Narayana.
So let's do first, second and third Govinda Narayana. So do the first, second, third.
Govinda Narayana, Govinda Narayana,
Correct.
Govinda Narayana,
Perfect. Fourth one, Govinda Narayana,
Govinda Narayana,
Can you sing 4 Govinda Narayana now?
Govinda Narayana, Govinda Narayana, Govinda Narayana, Govinda Narayana.
Perfect. Fifth one, Govinda Narayana. You're singing Janardana, right? Badrivasa Naradisha Narayana. So that Narayana, that same thing. Govinda Narayana. Sing.
Govinda Narayana.
That is the fifth Govinda Narayana. So can you sing the 5 Govinda Narayana now? Yes.
Govinda Narayana, Govinda Narayana, Govinda Narayana, Govinda Narayana, Govinda Narayana.
Perfect. Now this you will sing in third speed after the second speed. Now go to the fourth speed, little more faster. Go sing the same thing, little more faster.
Govinda Narayana, Govinda Narayana, Govinda Narayana, Govinda Narayana, Govinda Narayana.
After you sing that, sixth one, Sai Govinda Narayana. Sai
Sai
Govinda,
Govinda,
Sai Govinda,
Sai Govinda,
Narayana.
Narayana,
Sai Govinda Narayana.
Sai Govinda Narayana.
Correct. So can you sing the fourth pace of Govinda Narayana with all the 6 Govinda Narayana? So basically we are ending the bhajan, right? So that's why you're singing the last one, Govinda Narayana, Sai Govinda Narayana. That's the last one. Sing.
Govinda Narayana, Govinda Narayana, Govinda Narayana, Govinda Narayana, Govinda Narayana, Sai Govinda
Narayana.
Sai Govinda Narayana.
Correct. After this, you will end the bhajan. Govinda, Govinda, Narayana, Shri Hari, Narayana. Okay?
Okay.
Clear? You want to quickly run through the first, second, and last, and then I'll quickly run through, and then we'll open the session for everyone to ask questions or sing.
So first from first speed, or should I
Yeah,
just do it?
without follow. Yeah, without follow, you can sing. Or you want me to follow?
Sure, Auntie, you can go.
Okay.
Govinda Govinda Narayana Shri Hari Narayana.
Govinda, Govinda, Narayana, Shri Hari, Narayana.
Govinda Govinda Narayana Shri Hari Narayana.
Govinda, Govinda, Narayana, Shri Hari, Narayana.
Badrivasa Naradesha Narayana.
Badrivasa Naradesha Narayana.
Badrivasa Naradesha Narayana.
Badrivasa Naradesha Narayana.
Ganashama Narayana
Ganashama Narayana
Ganashama Narayana
Ganashama Narayana
Govinda Govinda Narayana Shri Hari Narayana
Govinda Govinda Narayana Shri Hari Narayana
Partivasa Jagadisha Janardana
Partivasa Jagadisha Janardana
Partivasa Jagadisha Janardana
Partivasa Jagadisha Janardana
Satya Sai Parameshwara
Satya Sai Parameshwara
Satya Sai Parameshwara
Satya Sai Parameshwara
Govinda Govinda Narayana Shri Hari Narayana
So this you come a little more faster, right? Second speed.
Okay.
Govinda Govinda Narayana Shri Hari Narayana
Badrivasa Naradisha Narayana
Badrivasa Naradisha Narayana
Ganashama Narayana
Ghanashama Narayana
Govinda Govinda Narayana Shri Hari Narayana
Govinda Govinda Narayana Shri Hari Narayana
Partivasa Jagadisha Janardana
Partivasa Jagadisha Janardana
Satya Sai Parameshwara
Satya Sai Parameshwara Satya Sai Parameshwara
Satya Sai Parameshwara
Satya Sai Parameshwara Govinda start
I'm singing the first line.
Govinda Narayana
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 Shruti Govinda Narayana You have to stand in that note. Sing again that note.
Govinda Narayana
Perfect. Govinda Narayana
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 Govinda Narayana Sai Govinda Narayana
Sai Govinda Narayana Shri Hari Narayana.
Very good.
Thank you.
So,
Anju.
awesome, correct. So I'll quickly run through the whole bhajan. So though you are in mute, you also please everyone, let us all practice together, and then we'll open the session for everyone. गोविन्द गोविन्द नारायण श्री हरि नारायण गोविन्द गोविन्द नारायण श्री हरि नारायण बद्रिवासा नराधीश नारायण बद्रिवासा नराधीश नारायण घनश्याम नारायण घनश्याम नारायण गोविन्द गोविन्द नारायण श्री हरि नारायण प्रतिवासा जगदीश जनार्दना प्रतिवासा जगदीश जनार्दना सत्य साई परमेश्वरा सत्य साई परमेश्वरा गोविन्द गोविन्द नारायण श्री हरि नारायण बद्रिवासा नरधीश नारायण घनश्याम नारायण गोविन्द गोविन्द नारायण श्री हरि नारायण प्रतिवासा जगदीश जनार्दना सत्य साई परमेश्वरा सत्य साई परमेश्वरा गोविन्द नारायण 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 साई गोविन्द नारायण गोविन्द गोविन्द नारायण श्री हरि नारायण